A very good noon to one and all present here. I, Moksha, on behalf of Veeranand National Business School, feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to Honorable Vice Chairman, Shri Anwar Jindal, our guest speaker, Dr. Meena Jha, academic coordinators, and faculty members, and all the students of GIFT. We all have gathered here for eminent lecture series on the topic Environmental Issues and Challenges, Global and Indian Perspective. Veeranand National Business School was established in the year 2004, is a self-financing ISO certified and NAAC accredited institution. It is affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh University, Delhi, and approved by All India Council for Technical Education, Ministry of HRD, Government of India for Technical Courses, and Bar Council of India for Law Courses. The institute conducts various courses, namely MBA, MBA International Business, MBA LLB, and BA LLB. GIFT has been graded A by National Assessment and Accreditation Council in second cycle. GIFT has been rated A+ by State Fee Regulatory Committee, a fee committee of Government of NCT of Delhi. GIFT has been rated highest grading A by Joint Inspection Committee of Government of NCT of Delhi and GGSIP University since 2013 till date. GIFT has been rated A by Academic Audit Cell of GGSIP U University since 2011 till date. The institute has been ranked number 93 pan-India by the Last Street Investment Journal 2017. GIFT has also achieved 4-star ranking in ISC MOE ranking 2021. GIFT has been ranked as number 49 in top 150 B schools in India, 34th in top 100 private institutes in India, and 19 in top 20 North B schools for its MBA program by the Times Business School Survey 2022. Also, GIFT has been rated as number 2 pan-India for its BBA program by Indian Business School Survey in 2012, in 2021, 2019 and 2018. As one of the national capital leading business schools, GIFT brings together people, cultures and ideas from around the corner to change lives and to transform organizations. The institute is an ideal setting for learning and a diverse community knit together by its physical environment as well as by its commitment to the highest standards of excellence, integrity, free expression and inquiry. The campus boasts state-of-the-art infrastructure, facilities and resources. The environment problems like global warming, acid rain, air pollution, urban sprawl, waste disposal, ozone layer depletion, water pollution, climate change and many more affect every human, animal and nation on this planet. Our environment is constantly changing and as our environment changes, so does the need to become increasingly aware of the environmental issues that are causing these changes. With a massive increase in natural disaster, warming and cooling periods and different types of weather patterns, people need to be a lot more cautious with the way they lead their life in the conjunction with the type of environmental issues our planet is facing. And today we have with us an eminent personality, environmentalist, eco-warrior, regional officer Delhi Zone, master trainer. She was BA college topper, MPhil gold medalist, global field ambassador, extension classical Bharatanatyam dance, winner of Sri Radhakrishnan Samman, Shiksha Ratna Samman, AKS Global Teacher Award, Extraordinary Change Maker Award, Honor to Excellence, SDG Hero Award, Best Teacher Award, Inspiring Educator Award, Best Presenter Award in International Conference, Honorable Jury Member, Award of Excellence in Research, Global Education Excellence Award, Honorable Member of National Teacher Scientist, Best Paper Author Award, Global Gandhi Peace and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam National Awardee. We are highly delighted to have you amongst us today, ma'am. I would like to request Dr. Vinay Mehri to welcome our guests with a sapling.
Very good afternoon to respected Vice Chancellor Sir, respected Professor Urvash ma'am, respected Professor Shipra ma'am, all beautiful, dynamic students present here, and it's been a great privilege to be in this great institution, and I'm so fortunate and so blessed to Almighty that God has given me this golden opportunity to talk amongst you all. despite of severe winter, I could see entire. May I ask anyone from you, would you like to say something about this changing environment? Anyone of you? All handsome youngsters, beautiful girls here. Would you like to say something about environment? Your perspective, please. Anyone here? Yes, Moksha. Thank you for giving me this dice to speak here. Moksha, would you like to say something about environment? Such a lovely planter you all have given me with this welcome. So this is also speaking something about environment, is not it? Yes. So anyone out of you? I could see the spark in you. Please say something about environment. Anyone? Nobody? Okay. We'll discuss at the end of the session. So, environmental challenges and issues, Indian and global perspective. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. I asked the question, do you know something about environment? And you thought that ma'am will speak something, let me only listener. But be in that side that you will save it. It's not the ma'am, not the sir, not the other one. So I had a great expectation with youngsters that your perspective should come forward. We all believe कोई और आके कुछ करेगा देश के लिए. Let's be the change we want to see in others. Is not it? Right? Okay. This was the greatest belief. So every day we are reading and hearing about sustainable developmental goals. Out of 17 sustainable developmental goals, many of them are related to only environmental issues. Let's have a glimpse on that. So global environmental issues, human overpopulation. The disaster is being caused due to overpopulation. Biocapacity, carrying capacity, exploitation, industrialization, land degradation, land reclamation, urbanization, wastewater conflict, water scarcity and overdrafting. So these, because of human overpopulation, the things is getting degraded. So environmental issues, the major threat is overpopulation, pollution, deforestation, loss of biodiversity and loss of natural habitats of animals. Even in Delhi we can see there are so many wild animals which we can see around. Sometimes monkeys are there. So this topic helps us to understand and realize that how we all could save the environment. This is really a burning issue. So environmental challenges and issues. Climate change is of course great concern. Global warming, burning of fossil fuels, ozone layer depletion, water pollution, air pollution. Everywhere, wherever you go, inside India, outside India, there is a call for all of us that climate is getting changed and we can feel that global warming. Earlier what were happening, the temperature were not so high, but nowadays even during summer season every time we have to turn on the ACs. And what these ACs are doing? ACs are using chlorofluorocarbons and they are depleting the ozone layer, that is O3. O2 gas is important for us. This is the life-saving gas, the oxygen. And they are forming the ozone, O3. And we are depleting it because of all human activities. Lot of chlorofluorocarbons, then rapid burning of fossil fuels, then deforestation. We all are aware that green plants are intaking carbon dioxide gas for photosynthesis. But All these greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, they are increasing the temperature of this planet. And the protective blanket, they are not able to reflect the infrared radiations coming from the sun. So there are ozone layer depletion, water pollution, air pollution. Now, what we can do, what our teenagers can do, what our college students can do, university students can do. Let us have a glimpse on that. We feel that these are very easy and something very light topic. But let us have a look and play our role, that what we can do. We should eat local. We should eat local means, yes, each one of us are now obsessed for westernizations. We just look for all the ready-made food stuffs like burgers, like patties, all the things which are available from westernization. But try to have the local food item. So this could help to save the environment. Be an animal advocate. Make music. Spread the word about greenhousing. Track the health of local body. Teach others how to go green. Adopt a local park. Help make homes more energy efficient. Clean up indoor air. For example, during winter season, what we are doing? We are using air blower, warmers. So instead of that, we should save the electricity and we should wear woolen clothes so that we could not consume much amount of electricity. Then what can I do? Every time we think, what can I do? What is my role? So let us have a glimpse on that. We should, on a personal level, ways to approach climate action. Then we should make a group of working people. We can even contact to NGOs and government organizations. And we can reflect on the concept of effective altruism. And on a personal level, we should have an approach climate action within the workplace. When I entered in your college, I found it is really eco-friendly. Lot of plants are there. So what are the roles of plants? We can enhance it. We can encourage tree plantation. Then global environmental issues. Lot of food getting wastage during marriages and other get-togethers. So we should minimize food wastage. Biodiversity loss. Plastic pollution is there. This plastic pollution is really damaging oceans and they are creating chaos across the world. Deforestation, because of rapid urbanization, industrialization, drastic cutting of trees, overgrazing, they are contaminating and polluting our environment. Melting of ice caps and sea level rises, ocean acidification, agriculture, food and water insecurity, fast fashion and textile waste, and overfishing. Because common man, most of the people which are staying near the coastal areas, they are over exploiting fishings. They are doing that. Whenever we are doing something beyond our requirement, they are definitely causing imbalance in the nature. And it is really well said, there is everything for humans need but not for humans greed. So we must be very mindful whatever the resources we are depending on. Don't be over possessive of the things because Mother Nature is for everyone, for each one of us. So let's become an eco warrior. So let me ask one by one of you. So how many tree plantations you are doing every year? Any one of you, either in your birthdays or you are going to attend any marriage functions, how many tree plantations you are doing? Let me ask you, all the audience here. One only? Is it sufficient for saving the environment? Anyway, I am happy at least one. You are truthful. That is good. How many tree plantations you are doing? Anyone? You must have done many tree plantations during your school life, right? But what about now? Now you are grown-ups. You are more knowledgeable. You are the role models of society.
20 plants in a year.
20 plants in a year. That is commendable. What about rest sitting at the back? How many tree plantations have you? This is a simple question for each one of us. How many tree plantations are you doing? Hanji, anyone? 5 to 6. Can you name me few plants and trees? Sangwan. Okay, good. People. Okay. Okay. And how many tree plantations you have done all? Smiling beauties here. How many? Money plant. Is it sufficient? Is it sufficient for the environment? Is it sufficient for this degrading environment? Respected sir, may I ask you? That is really commendable, ma'am. Great. That is really great. I just want to give you one example, each one of you. I just want to give one example. It is very personal experience, जिसका इस PPT से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I just want to share my personal view, right? Maybe you won't agree with me because we all are different. We all are different. That is the beauty of the nature. We all are not alike, right? My husband is in Indian Air Force. Okay? We used to get posting every 5 years like that. Different places of India. We are very fortunate to visit different states of India, right? But my husband has a passion. He used to plant trees. पेड़ लगाने का उनको बहुत शौक है, बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है. Actually, I am little bit motivated because of his activities. उनको पेड़ लगाने का बहुत ज़्यादा शौक है. हमारे एक प्रोजेक्ट था कि भाई आपको बीएड में या दूसरी एक्टिविटीज़ में आपको पेड़ लगाना कंपलसरी है. I told my husband, एक पेड़ ले आना, लगा देंगे, काम हो जाएगा. This is very personal. But you know, he was so passionate. He brought so many trees. और मैंने थोड़ा वाइफ की तरह उनको बोला, इतने सारे क्यों लगाना, इतना पैसे क्यों खर्च करना. लाइक अ वाइफ आई टोल्ड हिम, इतने सारे पेड़ लगाने की क्या जरूरत है, एक ही लगाना. और आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे, जो पेड़ है, एक छोटा सा प्लांट, अगर तुलसी का प्लांट 40 रुपए का है तो एक पेड़ 150-200 रुपए का आता है कम से कम, राइट? कम से कम 150-200 रुपए का पेड़. माई हस्बैंड सेड्स, कोई बात नहीं, हम लगा देते हैं. वी वेंट फॉर अ सर्वे टू अ विलेज and there we planted many trees, coconut, जामुन. हमने बहुत सारे यूजफुल जो कि काफ़ी लीफी होते हैं, they give shade also, और बहुत अच्छे फ्रूट्स आते हैं, उन्होंने लगाए. I did not believe, जब मेरे बीएड का रिजल्ट आया, somebody told me, मीना you are the college topper. मैंने कहा मजाक कर रहे होंगे, but my husband used to tell me, ये ना blessing देते हैं पेड़. मैंने कहा इतनी चीज़ें कौन मानता है आज के ज़माने में? Who cares? I was very blessed. I was the college topper, right? उसके बाद, this is one example I am saying. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? My birthday. He said कि पेड़ लगाते हैं. मैंने कहा क्या ज़रूरत है? Why to waste? बच्चों ने, उन्होंने पेड़ लगाए. जो बच्चे थे स्कूल के बच्चे, उन्होंने फुटबॉल मार मार के तोड़ दिए. हाँ, वो क्योंकि उसमें फेंसिंग थी नहीं. मैंने बोला फेंसिंग भी लगाना चाहिए. चलो जी, फिर हमने फेंसिंग लगाई. बट ही डिड नॉट गिव अप. उन्होंने पेड़ लगाए. अब जब वहाँ पे कोई सेंटर होता है, एग्जाम का सेंटर होता है, तो गेट के बाहर पेरेंट्स को खड़े होने के लिए जगह नहीं होती है ज़्यादातर. आप किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट एग्जाम सेंटर में जाओ और आप यकीन नहीं करोगे, हस्बैंड के लगाए हुए कई सारे पेड़ के शेड के नीचे आके लोग खड़े होते हैं पेरेंट्स, और वो कहते कि चलो धूप से तो बचे. ये उनका विजन था. और 20 years के बाद I could see the trees are blooming like anything. And every now and then I used to say, why you are planting trees? इतने पैसे क्यों? तो जानते हैं उनका जवाब क्या मेरे हस्बैंड का? He says, मैं चाय नहीं पीता, मैं सिगरेट नहीं पीता, मैं स्मोकिंग ड्रिंकिंग नहीं करता, मैंने वो पैसे बचा के पेड़ लगाए. What's wrong in that? He has greater justification. कहते 150, 200, 500 के अगर मैं पेड़ लगा रहा हूँ, कितनी दुआएं और ब्लेसिंग मिल रही है.
And I must tell you, I was very passionate to study abroad. I was MPhil gold medalist. I was very passionate to study abroad. अब abroad की study का मतलब huge package चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए. मैंने कहा इतना तो नहीं है. And you know, because of blessings of good deeds done by him, and we were there in supporting. Earlier I used to withdraw myself. I got scholarship and admission in Lincoln University College of Malaysia, and I did it with flying colors. Why this miracle happened in life? This miracle only in Delhi also we have come across many NGOs, even government organizations. They are distributing free saplings to many people. You just go and contact them. Plant many trees. The DDA parks are there. Your balconies are there. Just plant it. Let's invite beautiful birds also. Parrots will come, pigeons will come when you plant trees. Let's become closer to Mother Nature. Why not? Is there any harm in doing that? Let me know. When you touch the soil, when you plant the trees, you will feel happiness. Oxytocin and other happy hormones will release in your body. Instead of just gluing towards mobile phones and just gluing to the screen, let's switch over to Mother Nature. Why not? Just I want to say and request. So become the eco warrior. We are cutting trees tremendously. Let's become the eco warrior. Best ways to save environment. There are so many ways. Conserve an energy. Whenever it is not necessary, turn off the fans or lights, whatever unnecessary. Switch, recycle paper, then reduce. Then we can save always be thankful to universe. Do the carpooling. Make compost of your own. Buy less and even better. Eat less meat. Adopt a pet. Be close to Mother Nature, always. And there are certain ways to save planet Earth. What are those? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Earlier we still remember when we have siblings, what we used to do? बड़े भाई बहनों के कपड़े छोटे भाई बहन को चले जाते थे, कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाते थे. बड़े भाई बहनों की कॉपी किताबें बुक्स होती थी, छोटे भाई बहन को मिल जाती थी. टॉयज भी उनको मिल जाते थे. But now what we are doing? Everyone is getting the new things. So we are giving burden to Mother Nature. Just don't do that. Instead, develop the feeling of sharing, caring and love spreads from that. So out of love we used to share the things. But nowadays this is totally missing in our society. This is really very sad part. So sustainable goals, climate 13, goal 13 is climate action. So let's be very mindful how we can manage it. Environmental SDGs, I just told 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th SDG goal is that we have to be very comprehensive in how we can protect the environment. Whether it is reuse, we have to reuse the things, life below water, life on land. We have to be very compassionate and caring for everyone, all living organisms. They may include plants, animals, microorganisms, human beings, everyone. So let's be mindful. The earth is our environment to protect and the garden to tend to. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Even if I can say 50 students are there, if we 50 pledge that we must plant trees, we should save environment, we should try to become vegetarian even if we are not. No, it's okay. So we can reduce, we can do carpooling, that we can take the simple steps. And our simple steps can protect the environment. Because this impact is not only given to India but globally. Even when you go abroad, you will find majority people are talking about the immediate action to be taken. And we need to take care. Yes, it is very well said that we don't have planet B to survive. We have this Mother Earth only, and we need to take care of that. So, there are so many poetries, poems composed by everyone. So, just I would like to take 2 minutes activity. 50 students are there. Can you write 5 lines for Mother Nature? Thankfulness, gratitude journal. 5 lines. Anybody wants to recite? Thank you, Earth. This is a 1 line. What is the next? Any 5 lines out of you all? Hanji, or? Thank you, air. Thank you, water. Yes, good. What else? Hanji, or? Thank you for sunlight. Sunlight importance we know. 3 days we cannot see the sunlight. Right. What else? Very right. What else? Your thank you journal. Hanji. Anyone else here? All beauty queens sitting at the back. Yes. By being beautiful because we are close to Mother Nature. अगर सारा टाइम ही क्लोज कमरे में रख दिया जाएगा, can we remain beautiful and charming? No, never. We need to contact with Mother Nature. Is not from India. I say hello. Miss Universe India से आते हैं. Hello. I say there are so many good points of India. We are the ambassadors of peace and we are the ambassadors representing India. Is not it? So where is that spark is missing? So say few lines, my dear students. Say something good so that I should also learn from you. Say something good, share your ideas, exchange the ideas so that our class will be more interactive. Say something good, that what your contribution to the society for making it pollution free. What is your contribution? Recycle. How you are doing that? Just tell me.
Hello everyone, myself Anshul Sharma and I am from IIT. एक मैंने पोएम लिखी है, ये बारिश का मौसम, ये मौसम है सुहाना। इस मौसम के आते ही पेड़ पौधों को मिलता खाना, इस मौसम के आते ही पंछी है चहचहाते और बच्चे इसका लुत्फ उठाते। इस मौसम का हिस्सा हम भी बनना चाहते, लेकिन बीमारी के डर से बन ना पाते।
I highly admire and appreciate the thoughtfulness of the poetry which you have written. Yes, this could be our contribution to Mother Earth. We need thinking minds in the society. And see, hello, attention here. Even if we don't find place to plant the trees, we could at least think of innovative ideas. And these ideas could be implemented in the society where we are living. We are together with Mother Earth. We are together with environment. So let's be very proactive and mindful. We should minimize wastage. We should reuse and reduce the things. Even if when we are eating an apple or a guava, let's be thankful to Mother. The Mother Earth has given us these bounties and beauties. The nature has bestowed so many blessings to us. But without knowing, we are eating and just glued in the mic and glued in the mobile phone, sorry. And we are not thankful. So let's not become thankless, become thankful. So the motive behind this today's session is not कि भाई आपकी attendance लग जाए. Actually not. हम यहाँ क्यों आ गए कि जी हमारी attendance लग गई, मैम होगी हमारी class. No. Actually, I want to trigger your igniting minds. And your minds can do miracles in the society. I firmly believe this. If you just think of, even if you want to gift anyone, whether it is Christmas or New Year, better to give a planter. Instead of chocolates and cakes, instead of, we are only initiating westernization? Why not to become more Indian? Become more grounded towards our roots. This is what I want to convey. So these are the beautiful poetries written by few of the students like you. So save the environment, save Mother Earth. And Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I am very fortunate to tell you, he is one of the alumni of my university, Lincoln College, Malaysia. He is great PhD holder, so many doctorate degrees. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, so many doctorate degrees, and one of the PhD degree from Lincoln University College, Malaysia. Sir, so he is my alumni also. So I am so fortunate. What he says, no matter what is the environment around you, it's always possible to maintain your brand of integrity. Your brand of integrity is always possible. As spoken by People's President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, great teacher. He was just addressing students like you and he collapsed on the dais. We still remember and pay our gratitude and tribute to him. Then you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. As spoken by Buddha, you want to give love to everyone? Why not to love yourself? And how will you love? When you love Mother Nature, because you are residing there. If you degrade the environment, if you cause changes and harm to environment, that means you are not loving yourself. So, let's love ourselves firstly, then we can give goodness to our society. Our energy and vibration will be reciprocated to the society. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. My dear adorable students of such a great institute, you have all the power within you. Just use it. Utilize it. Immediately I could see that boy has written beautiful composed poetry. Used his mind. So let's use our mind in great cause. Otherwise what we are doing, we are misusing our greatness. Don't do that. Become a creative mind. Become a thoughtful mind. Help the society. Help others. So all power is within you. Gratitude changes everything. Always be thankful for, yes, we were thankful to air, water, sunlight, green plants and everyone. I am thankful to the great audience sitting over here. I am thankful to organizing team. I am thankful to respected Vice Chancellor sir. I am thankful to everyone over here. Respected sir, you are. I am thankful to the person who is clicking pictures. I am thankful to each one of you who is giving their very positive and good times. I am thankful to Shipra ma'am. So, your future is created by what you do today. So, these were the references, and it's not about being the best, it's about being better than yesterday. So, every sincere step will count. Every day, do something good. अगर हम डेली 1% भी इम्प्रूवमेंट करते हैं लाइफ में तो 365 डेज में 365% इम्प्रूव कर जाएंगे. सो जस्ट मेक अ स्मॉल टारगेट. 1% हमें आगे बढ़ना है. 1% ग्रेटिट्यूड, 1% एनवायरनमेंट को बचाना है, 1% हमेशा शुक्राना थैंक यू करना है और आगे बढ़ना है. सो थैंक यू सो मच टू ईच वन ऑफ यू. It's been pleasure to be with you. Thank you everyone.
On behalf of organizing team, it's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks to this session. My heart filled with lot of gratitude and respect for our distinguished guest speaker, Dr. Meena Jha, for not only sparing her invaluable time for us to grace this occasion, but also enlightening us with her commendable talk on environmental issues and challenges. I would like to thank Dr. Vinay Nadri sir for gracing this session. On behalf of Peterson International School and faculty members and the students, extend a very hearty thanks to Dr. Meena Jha